Alright guys, welcome back. So we've been on Copart again, bidding on some cars. I might have accidentally won 3 vehicles, so this is the first one. I'll turn it around and we'll do a little walkthrough of it and see what we think. Here it is guys, little Dacia Sandero I think they're called, stepway. It's a good little car, it's basic spec, you know, nothing fancy. But yeah, it's a decent little motor. Bonnet looks good. This is the main damage here. Got a wing, front bumper here. This is literally all the damage on the front bumper. Just this crack here and a crack up here. So I might have a little mess with that, see if I can fix it. Save us some money, but if not, we might be able to buy this skin here for cheap. Because obviously the grill's all fine, bottom grill's fine. This is just mud that'll all clean up. Obviously it needs a new headlight. I've had a little look for one of them, so they're quite cheap. I think most parts of them are quite decently priced, so. Obviously the wing, the door here is just being tickled on the corner. So we might try bend that out or something if we can get away with it. Yeah, get Grant to open the bonnet, it's just on that side, passenger. Decent, honestly, that's the only little damage on that side, the rest of it's spot on, so. I was quite surprised, look. It's got one bonnet strut. I was quite surprised by that because it's quite a cheap car. If you get Grant to go start it, you can have a little listen. It's got a little bit of tick, but I did drive it into the driveway from the road over there. It was tapping, and not like it was making a little noise on this side, but it's a little bit messy under there, so I'm not surprised. Maybe something's bent. Start up. So the little kind of like tappy or something, but I don't think it's anything serious. It might be what these engines sounds like. I'll have to have a little Google into it. Obviously you'll get a service. We'll give it a good service and everything. Everything will be changed, oil, filters and all that. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I'll tell you at the end of the video how much I paid for it. I think I got a pretty good deal. I only bid on it once and I won it. It's a 2015 motor. I'll show you the mileage. That's another good thing about it. The mileage there, can you just tap the engine? That button there, yeah. 42,000 miles. No lights on or anything. Airbags, nothing like that's gone. Show you in the back. Roof rack. Yeah, it's just a basic spec motor and all that, but it's a good little car, honestly. I don't mind it. Little 5-speed manual. Hasn't got AC or anything. Electric front windows, radio. Pretty decent. Gonna have to open the bonnet here, boot, sorry. Decent sized boot. Someone's ran through it when they crashed. They must have just removed everything out of it because they've took the spare wheel for some reason. So I'll have to get one of them. I don't know what went here, maybe a safety triangle or something. That's gone. I've got the tow hook still in the tyre iron. But yeah, loads of stickers I'm going to remove, stickers. But yeah, honestly, the car is spot on. No other marks in it, there's a little one there. I'll try to sort that out. That is literally the only damage is driver's side here. So what we'll end up doing is we'll take the wing off, obviously, front bumper, headlight, get the part numbers or whatever, so we know exactly what we're buying. See if anything else is broken. As you can see on here, looks like a couple of things are bent up, so. But the crash was here, not like any at the front, so the radiators and all that looks fine. And have a little look down here in the wheel well. You know, strut looks fine. Arms look fine, but we'll take the wheel off and check everything. But yeah, we're quite happy with this little purchase. And then we've also bought two other cars. I won't tell you what they are now, but yeah, one should be pretty fun actually. Another one, you see them all the time, but one of them I've never bought one of these before, so it should be quite an interesting little motor. Obviously we're in the UK, it looks sunny, but it's pissing it down, so that's good. So back in 1 sec. Alright, rain stopped now. So we're gonna take the headlight out, this front grille and the wing hopefully, maybe the front bumper as well. So we'll start with this. We got T20s there, and we've got T30s here. So we'll start taking them out now, and then take the grille off and take this headlight out so we get some part numbers for things, see if there's any damage behind it. Hopefully it's alright. It doesn't look too bad because obviously like the damage on this left side in it, so we'll take it all off and we'll see what we're working with basically. Alright, so there's one behind me. So we've unscrewed all that. Now we're just going to try and pull the headlight out. And let's just pulling the wing back a bit. Get that straight, be good to go again, won't it? Bit of body work on that, innit? Oh, fucking hell, watch my headlight. Fucking hell. Pay good money for that.
If we had a claw hammer, that would be good.
I've got a pry bar. That probably won't work. What are you trying to do?
Try and get it out the way so the headlight will come on.
Put the hammer's head there and just pull on it. You don't do that. It'd be weak as fuck, but probably pull on it, just give it a good yeet.
Nearly straight.
Nearly straight. Good to go with a bit of take-up, won't it? There you go, try to throw the headlight out. If I hold the bumper back.
Oh, you don't want me just to fit it back in then?
Yeah. Put a bit of plastic welding around, it'd be alright, won't it? Just try not to break it.
Oh, that would probably do it, you know.
Was it screwed in?
There's a 10 mode on there.
Down the bottom. Oh, yeah. Right, we've got that 10mm out. Should be able to just pull that out now. Lovely. We just disconnect her. Look at that, man. That is crazy, isn't it? I mean, that's actually the worst headlight I've seen, you know. That's pretty good, that. Right, got the headlight out over there. Now, this is confusing. I don't know if anyone can explain to me, but this is a fuel carbon filter or something. Well, half of it's missing, and the car still runs. So, what exactly does this do? I'm confused. Anyone could tell me about that? That'd be cool.
What's
yeah.
Little pull cord.
What is that for?
Just laying there.
The hell? Headlight maybe?
Looks like for a bonnet release.
Oh, it's for the headlight look. It'd be adjusters, won't it? To the headlight up and down. Yeah, crash bar's bent. Might be able to straighten that, if not buy a new one. I'll have to have a look when we get it out. Obviously, we need the carbon fuel filter thing. This side, I can see some bracket for the wing. Yeah, that looks mangled. But the actual body looks fine. You can see how straight that is. So what we do now, maybe try and get the wing off, maybe? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get the wing off and then maybe the bumper afterwards. Or maybe bumper next time because it's getting a bit dark, but definitely try and get this wing off. Just undo these, I think the 10mm bolt here, and then there's a 25 Torx that we've already taken out. So we'll take these 10s out, 3 there, and have a look about. There should be more somewhere detached over here somehow. So yeah, we'll take these off and pull it back a bit. There's another hidden 10mm right there. We'll take that out. Right, we're just removing these T20s off the wing like trim here. So we'll just remove that, try and get this trim off. See if we can straighten that out. Alright, so we took the little 10mm out of down there in the corner, just inside the door, just down here in here. There's a little 20 T-Torx there. I think there's a 10mm holding right hand here. I think there's probably still a bolt or two under here, so I'll try and pull this back and have a look, because I think there's probably a bolt under there. Then we should be able to remove it. But basically all that's bent is this bracket here that I can bend back. That's fine. Just getting Grant's away here. Please have a look. That's spot on. Literally just this bent, and you can probably push that back with your hand. I think this must be all part of the wing, so that must come with the new one. That's not.
I think that's meant to be straight, as in like.
Yeah, that is meant to be straight. Yeah, that's. But apart from that, it's all right. Oh, we took the bit of plastic trim off. It's bent, but it's not cracked or damaged, so should be able to heat that up and save that. So that's good. But yeah, we'll figure out what's down the bottom. We just took the indicator out there. Figure out if there's another bolt down the bottom, and then we'll take this wing off. All right, so we got the wing off. You see the damage on the door now. It's not terrible. I might be able to mess with it and get it sorted, but everything else is spot on. No issues down there. Literally just that little bracket there. It was somewhat bent back. That one up there needs bending. Apart from that, we're good. Arch liner, try heat that up and fix it. Doesn't look cracked or anything, just looks bent out of shape. So I get that heated up and try fix the arch liner. That's the wing there. Yeah, hopefully that will come to the new one. Fog light in there, headlight. Yeah, we just need to take this front bumper off then and see what's behind it. Alright guys, so we just removed the front bumper. It was just what, T20s, T30s? T30s and T20s on the bottom. There's a couple just along the bottom there, along the run. You can see where the holes are there. Just ones there. Basically removed all them. That's all the carbon stuff from the fuel filter there. I don't know how it still runs. I don't know how this thing works here, this little carbon filter, but yeah. Basically the only damage, like I said before, is that little bracket, which is pretty much sorted already. And this crash bar's just tucked in a little bit there. So I'll probably try and just straighten that out and see what it looks like. Maybe put some paint on it. That should be good to go. Well, as you can see, the leg is absolutely spot on. Nothing wrong with the leg. Intercooler's good, radiator's good. So the only damage is literally this tiny little bit on the corner there. So it just needs that little bit adjusting. The arch liner needs a bit of heat gun on the corner there. I don't know if that's... Well, that'd be broken there, eh? So yeah, we'll try fix that. If not, it's probably not that expensive. I might just buy a new one. I'll try heat it up first. So I've basically just got a part list now. Get all the parts together and fix this back up. Alright, so we've sorted all that out. We've put everything like away and everything. We took the front bumper off, took the wing off, cleaned it all up, checked everything. So now I'm just going to buy some bits for it, then we can start fitting it back together. Yeah, but I won this. I bid it up to, I bidded once on this for 350 quid, and with fees it was £602. So it's a pretty good deal. Obviously with delivery as well, that was 226 quid. That's what I'm into it so far, but get some parts and stuff, see how much we've got on it. Should be able to sell it for about £4 hopefully, so see how much we make on it. But thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.